If you're seeing the EC-BI-LS-0 error in the Epic Games Store, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it. This error is usually related to billing, payment processing, or a launcher cache issue, and in many cases, you can get it working again in just a few minutes. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check the Epic Games servers. Open your browser and go to status.epicgames.com. Once the page loads, look specifically for the store and payment services. If either one is experiencing an outage or partial disruption, the issue may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best fix is to wait until Epic restores service and then try your purchase again later. If the servers are up, the next step is to retry the purchase cleanly. Cancel the current checkout or close out of the payment window completely. Then restart the Epic Games launcher. This helps clear temporary glitches that can happen during checkout. After the launcher fully reloads, try the purchase again and see if the error is gone. A simple restart often fixes these kinds of payment-related problems. Now, if you're still getting EC-BI-LS-0, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. These tools can interfere with payment verification and cause Epic's checkout system to fail. Turn off your VPN, disconnect any proxy, and make sure your connection is running normally. Once that's done, go back and retry the purchase again through the launcher. If the launcher still doesn't work, try buying through the Epic Games website instead. Open your browser, go to the official Epic Games site, sign in with your account, and attempt the purchase from there. Sometimes the browser checkout works even when the launcher checkout fails, because it bypasses local launcher cache issues and uses a slightly different payment flow. If you want, you can also refresh the launcher by signing out and signing back in before trying again. That can help if your session is stuck or if Epic is having trouble validating your account during checkout. After that, test the purchase one more time and confirm whether the error is resolved. So to recap, check Epic server status, retry the purchase after restarting the launcher, turn off VPN or proxy, and if needed, complete the purchase from the Epic Games website. Those steps solve most EC-BI-LS-0 errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming and software fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.